Today we are going to ship our very first class package that needs to go ground advantage. As many of you know, the rules changed yesterday and the United States Postal Service got rid of first class and they've incorporated into a new service called ground advantage. And what I'm going to do is, I thought I'd have several to ship. I just have one first class package going out. So I'm going to box it up and then I'm going to ship it. And I don't have shipping policies, which means that we're going to have to figure it out. And I thought what I would do is make a short, sweet video that shows you exactly what's going to happen if you have something listed as first class that's now going to need to go ground advantage. So let's box this up and go from there. These are some small souvenir photos that are vintage that I sold. And I'm going to put them in some bubble wrap. And now this, the extra bubble wrap, will keep that from sliding around in my package. I have some small boxes that I used my eBay coupons to purchase. Throw a little bit of tape on that. So I will weigh this, and it weighs exactly 4 ounces. So let's get this shipped. We are going to ship this package right here. It is about 7 by 6 by 6. It weighs 4 ounces. So keep in mind that I don't have any shipping policies. I've always done up to 4 ounces at one rate, up to 8 ounces at another. So let's see what happens when I click purchase shipping label. Okay, so 4 ounces. I'm going to put the correct box dimensions in here. You'll notice on here I've got 4 ounces. I've got the dimensions of my box, and USPS Ground Advantage is the one that is automatically selected, and first class is what I chose. For 30 days we're still going to be able to leave this in there. Regardless of what we've entered, it's still going to show up as ground advantage on our label. I also want you to look over here. The price is the same. The price has not changed whether I select ground advantage or first class. So all I'm going to need to do is print my label. So I'm going to purchase the shipping label. Because I'm not going to show you the printed label and I can take the name out on here, you'll notice that there's a G. There used to be an F there for first class. And I actually like this a lot because it removes the confusion between first class mail and first class packages, which were never the same thing, but always had the same name. So I think for that reason alone, I'm going to like ground advantage. So let's print this label. And just like that, we have shipped our very first package using the United States Postal Service's brand new ground advantage. And you'll notice that even on an account where nothing was set up for ground advantage, the process was very, very simple. What I am going to do for you to make it even more simple going forward, I'm going to put out a video very, very soon, and we're going to go through it step by step, exactly what you need to do to set up ground advantage shipping policies that you can use every single time that you're shipping something that fits in one of those weight categories. That's it for this video. I really appreciate you watching. I'm going to see you really soon on the next one. Bye.